Hey there everyone, Sandy here. I'm just hopping on here real quick to give you a reminder about Polymer Clay Adventure 2019. It went on sale last Sunday, October 21st, and if you haven't heard yet, I am teaching Steampunk Dragons. Do you remember last spring when I polled everybody and asked you to look at my Pinterest board and choose which dragon from my Dragon Challenge 2015 you liked best? Let me see if I can get this so you can, and we can see us both there. Isn't he a cutie? This is Duncan. This is the dragon I will be showing you how to make in the class. It's a very detailed, complex project, but it is a lot of fun. And of course, mine is not the only class there. There are other teachers teaching wonderful things. I take their classes too. I enjoy watching them and doing things. In fact, this is something I made from another teacher's class from the 2018 PCA. So what I wanted to remind you about, though, was you can sign up for it anytime, but tomorrow, Saturday, October 27th, is the last day that if you sign up that today or tomorrow, the 27th, you will be entered to win one of 100 Polymer Clay goodie bags. And you also have a chance of winning one of, I think, 4 $100 gift certificates to Create Along, or a new Atlas pasta machine. So that's exciting. I actually won one of those. I'm just going to get this other dragon. Sorry. I won one of those goodie bags a few years ago when I wasn't a teacher. I'm a teacher now, so I'm not eligible to win. This is the, well, practice dragon I made. This is Daisy. She's guarding her castle, which is a box I got from the craft store. But I'll show her. No, in the video, I'll show you both dragons. I'll give you so much information for making them. And also, if you're excited about making that, maybe you've already signed up for the class, don't forget that I have put together kits of recycled brass clock parts, including like the hands that we use on the wings and the gears that go down the spine. I have a whole kit of those available in my Etsy shop, and all the links will be down below. So if you're thinking about signing up for it, today or tomorrow is the best time, so you don't miss out on some great chances to win. So I hope you have a lovely weekend. Happy creating. Bye-bye.